This is the scat that we have come across when we had come here for releasing the snakes in the forest. This shows the presence of leopard, the wild cat, one of the successful cat in the forest. World's highest density of leopard population is found in this national park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Looking at the area, 103.09 square kilometer area, which is the area of this park. It comprises near about more than 50 leopards in the forest. This is Panthera pardus, one of the successful cat which is found here in this national park. There is a water hole, the stream is there, plenty of water is there, lot of birds, lot of animals, lot of deers. You can see this black-shouldered kite, lot of palm swifts are there. We get to see here. There is a stream. Very nice place for leopard to hide. Very nice grassland we can see here. And I came across this leopard dropping, the scat. We call it as a scat. This is a very important important data for the biologist. We can see a lot of hairs in this, and you may come across bones also, teeth also. This is an important data I am saying because the biologist will study what type of hairs are there and what is the diet of the leopard in this forest. For that purpose, it's a very important data for any biologist. What is the regular diet for the leopard? What is the prey for the leopard? On that basis, we come to know. So, one leopard needs 10 square kilometer area as a territory, approximately 8 to 10 square kilometer area as a territory. And looking at the area of this park, 103.09 square kilometer area which is there should be hardly 10 to 12 leopards should be there, but there are more than 50 leopards found here. That's the density. Now, how do we come to know about the density of the leopard in this park? We, forest department, we set camera traps near the water holes, the regular path of the leopard, and we get the pictures, we get the photographs of these leopards. And forest department is having all 50 leopard photographs. The pattern on the face, the pattern on the shoulders, on the back, on the thighs, they are unique. They will never ever match with other leopards. So that's the specialty of how the counting of the leopards is done by the forest department, along with the wildlife enthusiasts or volunteers who participate, who would like to join, or help the department for doing this activity. It's not only in Sanjay Gandhi National Park, but throughout the national park, throughout the India, wherever there are national parks, people do participate in counting of these wild animals, counting of lions, counting of tigers, counting of leopards. And depending upon, now these wild cats, the topmost predator animals, they are like umbrella species. So if you come to know the number of leopards or the wild cats or the umbrella species in the forest, it indicates you that how many what is the health of the forest, whether the prey base is good or not. You come to know about it because that prey is entertaining this population, high density of leopard population. Okay, or they will come to know that it will make us understand how the health of the forest is, whether the flora fauna is good or not, so that's how it works. Well, I hope you like this piece of information that I wanted to share with you when I came across this particular leopard dropping, and I thought to share this information with you. Thank you. Good day. Have a nice time. Take care.